Prince Harry loses critical court appeal for restored UK security. Prince Harry lost his high-stakes appeal to reinstate his state-funded United Kingdom security, which he says was unjustly revoked after he stepped back from royal duties and relocated to the United States in 2020. Judge Sir Geoffrey Vos dismissed the appeal on Friday, May 2nd, adding that the two other judges agreed with his opinion. Delivering the verdict, Vos said, the Duke was, in effect, stepping in and out of the cohort of protection provided by RAVEC, the government's Royal and VIP Executive Committee. Outside the UK, he was outside the cohort, but when in the UK, his security would be considered as appropriate depending on the circumstances. It was impossible, I said in my judgment, to say that this reasoning was illogical or inappropriate. Indeed, it seemed sensible. Hello viewers, please remember to subscribe and click on the notifications bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we upload new cookies about the British royal family. Even if there had been a risk analysis from the Risk Management Board, it would very likely have only confirmed the threat, vulnerability, and impact levels which the Duke of Sussex had faced when earlier risk analyses were undertaken, the judge added. But it would have had nothing to say on the critical features of the changed situation, namely the need for protective security on future uncertain visits and the government's appetite for risk. The judge called RAVEC's decision on Prince Harry's security understandable and perhaps predictable. The Duke of Sussex, 40, travelled from his California home to attend the two-day hearing at the Royal Court of Justice in London on April the 8th and 9th. 4 years, he's been fighting for the restoration of automatic, state-funded security during his visits to the UK, and as he left court on April 9th, he told people he was feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. For Prince Harry, this legal battle has been described by his legal team as a fight for his life. In February 2024, Harry lost his initial case against RAVEC's decision to downgrade his security, which he appealed. A source close to his legal team had previously said they were cautiously optimistic about the outcome. The Duke of Sussex said that his worst fears have been confirmed by the whole legal disclosure in this case, and that's really sad. Though he has juggled multiple court cases in a strike back against the British tabloid press, this particular fight is crucial for his future and his family with his wife, Meghan Markle. This one has always mattered the most, Prince Harry told People. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex lost their police protection in the UK when they stepped back from royal duties in 2020. Harry's lawyers said in court on April 8 that he and Meghan felt forced to step back from the role of full-time official working members of the royal family as they considered they were not being protected by the institution and had wished to continue their duties in support of the late Queen as privately funded members of the royal family. Their security was soon downgraded, but Harry's legal team maintains that RAVEC failed to properly assess the unique risks posed to Harry and his family. Instead, RAVEC gave a case-by-case arrangement based on current needs, which his side says is inadequate, inappropriate, and ineffective. Prince Harry and Meghan are raising their children, Prince Archie, 5, and Princess Lilibet, 3, in California, and his lawyers have said previously that he does not feel safe bringing his family to his home country without official police protection. Exacerbating the fracture, the Duke of Sussex has long maintained that as ceremonial head of state, his father, King Charles, could help restore the security he is fighting for, an idea the palace denies. Amid the courtroom clash, a source close to the palace tells People there's still distance between the father and son. I don't think there is any rapprochement. Nothing has changed. Prince Harry forced to leave Invictus Games event early by Duke of Sussex's security guard in safety scare. Prince Harry was forced to leave a sitting volleyball event at the Invictus Games early after his security team intervened amid crowd safety concerns. The Duke of Sussex had been meeting supporters at the Vancouver Convention Centre when fans began crowding around him attempting to take selfies. His security guard had to step in and move people away who were getting too close to the prince, as reported by the Mail. The incident cut short Harry's planned interactions, preventing him from joining dozens of Team UK family and friends at the event. Prior to the security scare, the prince had been enthusiastically participating in the celebrations, joining in with chanting and singing alongside supporters from various nations. Before being escorted away, Harry had spent time mingling with supporters from multiple nations at the volleyball matches. The prince joined Nigerian fans, positioning himself between two women and putting his arms around their shoulders for photos. He then moved to the Danish supporters section, where he chatted with Prince Joachim and Princess Marie of Denmark as they watched from courtside. He also found time to speak with paraplegic Josh van der Wijs, though their conversation was largely drowned out by the enthusiastic crowd. Harry then moved to another court to support Team Canada in their match against Team UK before the security incident occurred. Earlier in the day, Harry demonstrated his military sense of humor during an interaction with a former US Marine. Prince Harry releases video message to the British public from his US home. Prince Harry has been a patron of the Wellchild Awards since 2007. Prince Harry has issued a video message from his Montecito home urging the British public to submit nominations for the milestone 20th Wellchild Awards in 2025. The Duke of Sussex, 40, who has served as patron of the charity since 2007, emphasized the importance of recognizing the UK's seriously ill children and their caregivers. The prestigious annual event, held in association with GSK, celebrates young people with complex medical conditions and those who support them. In his message, the Duke described it as a true privilege to honor the bravery and compassion of this incredible community. Prince Harry has a good sense of humor and is very engaging. For a man of his caliber and his stature to make the time is fantastic. He makes the time to talk to people and remembers them from previous times he's met them. He cares. Prince Harry bombshell. Duke of Sussex believes his mother Princess Diana was essentially murdered. A bombshell article about Prince Harry and Meghan Markle in Vanity Fair magazine has suggested the Duke believes his mother was essentially murdered. Meanwhile, due to the tragedy, Meghan also postponed the release of her Netflix cookery show With Love, Meghan, from January 15th to March 4th. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and drop comments. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.